Welcome to the Knowledge Series. Here I am going to discuss on certain terminology related to the cryptography. You are witnessing some of the terms. So let's see individual terms, what exactly it means. Cryptography. Cryptography, it deals with making a communication secure. Basically, cryptography is the art, or we can say it's a science concerning to the principles, means and method by which we can transform the plain text into some form which is unintelligible. That means it cannot be able to read by direct means. We can say that the unintelligible forms of the plain text is nothing but a ciphertext. And that ciphertext formations, it is basically done by using a mathematical functions. And that function we termed as encryption. That means when we convert plain text using an encryption method, thereby it converts into ciphertext, and that text is unintelligible to read, or it is in that form. Next, we try to look across cryptosystems. A cryptosystem is basically a system for encrypting and decrypting data. That means there are two processes there. One is a forward process, that is the encryptions to convert the plain text into a unintelligible forms, that is a ciphertext. And another one is a decryption process to convert the ciphertext, that is the unintelligible form of text, back to the plain text, which is the original text. So that comes under the category of crypto system. Cryptology. Cryptology means it's the study of cryptography and crypto, or we can say it as a cryptanalysis. So when a study is being carried out under the category of a cryptography and cryptanalysis, that we term as a cryptology. Cryptanalysis. Cryptanalysis is basically the science of deducing the plain text from a ciphertext without the knowledge of the key. That is, the cryptanalysis is considered as an expert on the area of a cryptography, or we can say that the cryptanalysis is a person that tries to decipher back or de-encrypt back the plain ciphertext back to the plain text. Next, cryptographers. Cryptographer means the people who do cryptography, who is working on under the area of the cryptography, who is doing a research in that particular area, or who is contributing towards the cryptography area, is known as cryptographers. Lastly, cryptanalyst. Cryptanalyst means those who practice the cryptanalysis. Those practitioners are called as cryptanalyst. So here the terminology of a cryptography we see in a different forms. In short, we can say that in the cryptography, one is the area where the cryptanalysts try to use the methods or use the experts to identify the ciphering methods. That means how to use the plain text to cipher and cipher back to the plain text. That is one area. Another area we try to see about a cryptology who who study the cryptography and cryptanalysis, so thereby it can able to contribute more in that particular area of expansions. So these are the terms that is essential for the basic understanding. Apart from the cryptography, these terms, there are some of the other terms are encryptions, that is the transformations of data from a plain text to the ciphertext, and decryptions, that is a process of converting the ciphertext back to the plain text. That is one. Further, there are areas like a symmetric crypto systems. Symmetric crypto system is that system where the encryption and the decryptions is being carried out using a common key, that is a known key. Asymmetric crypto systems, that is another terms where the encryption and decryptions is also carried out, but using a pair keys, that is one is a public key, another is a private key. So like that, different crypto system is also being added under this particular cryptography terminology. With this I conclude. Thank you.